First up, we have half of a sweatshirt jacket. The bottom half was starting to unravel, so I just cut this in half here. And then to just give an extra added little twist, I did some what are called godet inserts, which are the black little triangles, because I want to do sort of like a bell shape here. So I got pretty sick of the idea of carrying a purse around, so what I decided to do instead with some leftover scraps of pants that were falling apart was make some pouches. So now I can be a ye old traveler with my pouches. I had a Newport News jacket that was starting to die, and rather than let it languish in a landfill, I decided to add some patches to it, and I sewed on a hood. The hood is from my husband's old jacket, and since it had a much larger hood than what I had, it would work for this kind of Assassin's Creed look. And then there were some useless flaps that were supposed to be pockets. I took old boots that were falling apart, and I took the leather straps and hot glued them in place. Now, the reason I'm hot gluing them is because I know that this jacket can never be thrown in the wash. It's dry clean only, so that is why I didn't care. And of course, this jacket makes for a dramatic figure on long forest walks. Okay, I admit, I didn't sew this one myself. My mom helped me. She has a sewing machine and she had this spare fabric, so in order to give some life back to these dying pants, we decided to use, you guessed it, once again, godet inserts. This is how we made the bell-bottom effect, and as you can tell, it's given some groovy life back into these pants. So for this next project, I just took the bottom half of a t-shirt that was coming undone, and I cut it to the width of my liking, added some extra knit pieces to put a little buffer between the hood and the neck piece, so that way it would actually make a nice little scarf. And then voila! I made a washable, lovely hood scarf combo. It really works in the Morike or just kind of feeling like a forest witch.